Hello students, welcome to the world of science. Today we are going to cover our chapter number 4, sorting materials into groups. So let's start. Topics that we are going to cover in the session are meaning of classification, different types of material, non-living and living things, classification of materials on the basis of common properties. So these many topics we are going to cover during this session. Now, I want to ask you something. Just observe the things around you. Look at the objects around you. They are all made of different kinds of materials, right? The pencil is made up of wood. Scale is made up of plastic. Right? Now, what we are going to learn? The classification of materials. The objects we use in our everyday life are manufactured from different types of materials. Here you can see in the picture, this is furniture. It's made up of wood. These all are plastic bottles and they all are made up of plastic material. As this t-shirt is made up of wool material. This statue is made up of marble material. Right? So, the classification of materials. Now, what is the meaning of classification? That is, grouping things together on the basis of a certain similar property is called classification. As you can see in this picture, materials present around us can be of different sizes, colors, shades, or maybe living or non-living, right? So, along with this slide, you can find it out one hidden word in the given picture. Now, that will be your task. You need to find it out, the hidden word in this picture. So here you can see different things are present over here. Scissors, right? Paper, glue bottle. So that things are made up of different kinds of material. It can be living things or non-living things. Now types of material, definitely living and non-living. So the moving objects, what you can see in this picture, this one, bee, duck, horse, and this cute kittens. So they all are living things. And apart from that pictures, ball, pen, eraser, desk, stone. These all are non-living things. Plants and animals. Now in plants and animals also different categories are there. Like plants, you will find algae, fungi, aquatic plants, herbs, shrubs, climbers, creepers. In animals also you will find different varieties like aquatic animals, terrestrial animals, aerial, mammals. In non-living also you will find so many categories. Basis of use, source and material with which it is made. Now classification helps us to understand and know more about the material present around us. What do you think? Let us guess. Look at the table in front of you. It is made up only from material wood, right? What about window glass? Plastic bottle. Is car made of only one kind of material? Is building made up only from one type of material? No. They are made up of a combination of different types of materials. Does wood have the same property of plastic? Compare paper and sand. What you need to compare? Paper and sand. Now, different materials have different properties or characteristics. Now we are going to learn about how materials are classified based on their properties. Now, classification of materials on the basis of common properties. What is the meaning of common properties? Let us discuss. So, different material have different properties of characteristics. Therefore, they can be classified on the basis of their properties. Let's discuss the properties which are common in all materials. So, the common two properties are mass and volume. Now, definitely you will think, what is the meaning of mass and volume? See, in this picture you can see what is the meaning of mass. Let's discuss. Mass is the amount of substance that something contains. It's measured in kilograms or pounds. And what is the meaning of volume? So, the amount of space occupied by a material is called volume. So, this is the difference between mass and volume. So, finally, we can consider all these points that all material occupy space. The space occupied by different materials is different. The same mass of the cotton will occupy more space than a metal. It's not true that a material with more volume will also have greater mass. Understood? Yes. So, this is the concept of classification of materials. I hope your doubts are clear. Concept is very clear. In the next session, we are going to learn about the matter, states of matter. Thank you so much.